Welcome to Kiana Pridya channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. So friends, in today's video I would like to show you the humidifier I'm using for Kian. Your baby is sick and is suffering from cold, cough. Humidifier really helps a lot. So friends, humidifiers can be very helpful for your babies, especially in cold weather. Today I'm gonna show you how safely and effectively you can use them along with their benefits. First and foremost thing is how to choose the right type of humidifier. Using the right humidifier is very important, considering the safety of the babies. And always keep in mind that you have to keep the humidifier at least 3 feet away from your baby's crib to avoid any direct exposure to the mist. Ensure, friends, it's on a flat and stable surface and never place it on a crib or directly near the furniture. Always clean the humidifier regularly to prevent any growth of the bacteria. So whenever you use, make sure you're cleaning it. Another important point is, friends, please use only distilled water. So this actually avoids the mineral buildup. The foremost important benefit of using humidifier in the cold weather, or if your baby is suffering from cold or cough, is babies or newborns are prone to nasal congestion due to their smaller airways. However, humidifier helps loosen their mucus and it'll make it easier for them to breathe. So friends, I think this video helped. In case it helped, please do like if you want to see more videos like this, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.